A few years ago, I asked students in my undergraduate psychology classes if, generally speaking, they thought it would be acceptable behavior for a girl to ask a boy out on a date. The women said yes, and so did the men, sort of. Further discussion revealed that although they would find it flattering that a girl was interested in them, almost all the men said they'd feel at least a little uncomfortable with that and that they'd rather be the one to do the asking. Go figure. Hello, I'm Dr. Debbie, and simply put, I'm here to help you make sense of the man you love. So let's jump right in on today's topic, his dream. Without a doubt, women can be great leaders. However, romance is not the best place to demonstrate those abilities. Instead, this is the one place in the world where we get to relax and enjoy being a girl, for the most part. Being in relationship with a member of the opposite sex can be fun and challenging and hard work. And the benefits of loving a godly man by far outweigh the effort it takes to understand him. We'll be unraveling the mystery of the male in part 5 of my book under the section titled The Wonder of a Man. As a hopeful romantic, I believe that having someone to love who actually loves you back is worth more than anything else we will ever have or do in this life. So, am I suggesting submission in the 21st century? Submission gets a bum rap, but it isn't at all like it might seem. As you'll see in part 7, when I talk about submission in the book, you'll understand what I mean by that. But for our purposes here, just think of submission simply as trust and respect. It goes like this: demonstrate unparalleled respect for him as a man. Trust him and the Lord to lead you. Love him just as he is. Long for all the best of what God has for him. Make him look good to others, and give him immediate affirmation whenever you believe he's on the right track. As you pray for him, and I believe this should happen continually, it will be very helpful for you to keep these particular verses in mind. From Proverbs 18:22, he who finds a wife finds what is good and receives favor from the Lord. Proverbs 31:12, she brings him good, not harm, all the days of her life. Always remember that you were created for him, not the other way around. Yes, I know this isn't a very popular statement, but I firmly believe it's a fact of life. Men don't do well without us. But when you try to turn a man into what you want him to be, as though he were created for your benefit, nothing good will come of it. I've never seen a situation wherein the woman called all the shots and the relationship was a lasting and happy one for both partners. Yes, he needs to listen to you, but if he does everything you tell him to, you got a serious problem on your hands. However, you will reap immeasurable benefits as you become the wife he needs you to be. You'll be positively, absolutely irresistible to him. He'll joyfully protect you and provide for you, hold you, and guide you. He'll believe in you and be your biggest fan. He'll be proud of you when you do well and right there for you when you need him. He'll love you, care for you, and respect you. What more could a woman ask for than that? I'll be back again in a few days with another lesson. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss it. But if you're eager to learn more now, you can download my first book on Amazon. It's also available in softcover. I'll see you again real soon.